Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm the exact role and any union requirements, then decide your strongest short performance. Record a 60 to 90 second slate and a focused 30 to 45 second take. Keep gestures minimal so the casting director sees your face and choices. Once done, check audio and lighting. Use natural window light or a lamp at 45 degrees. Make sure your phone is stable and framed, if possible. Record in landscape for professional aspect ratio. Now execute, run 3 to 4 deliberate takes, 1 cold read, 1 emotionally keyed, and 1 following any given direction. You want variety while staying honest. This shows range without overacting. Name files clearly so casting can find you. Roll name first last take 1, MP4, and include the audition ID and time in the file name or message. Once finished, compress to meet size limits, upload to the requested portal, or attach to email. Confirm receipt if the system allows it. Finish strong. Immediately send a short confirmation note that you submitted the materials and thank the casting team for their time. This keeps you professional and memorable. If you don't get a callback, politely ask for feedback or express interest in future roles. Make sure to keep it brief. Troubleshooting. If audio is noisy, re-record with external mic. If lips are out of sync, align audio and video in a simple editor. If lighting hides you, reposition to softer. Directional light and resubmit quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.